Hello viewers, let's see how we can install Call of Duty Mobile iOS on iPhone. So let's begin.
So to install this Call of Duty mobile app on iPhone or iOS, the process is really simple. If you just go to your app store and open it, and if you try to search the Call of Duty mobile here, it is not showing the Call of Duty what we are searching for. Rather, it is showing something else. Like if you search here for Call of Duty, although it has been officially released on the App Store, but it is not being shown due to some search engine optimization reasons, maybe, or it has not been optimized in such a way to show up in the search engine. So you can see it is not being shown up still. There are other games being shown up. So what you can do is if you go to your Safari browser and if you search for Call of Duty Mobile, the first link is from the callofduty.com and the second link that usually comes up is techradar.com. So just go and open this, and if you open the tech radar, just scroll down below. At the end, you would see a link to download the from the App Store. So you see that interested folks can download the game for Android and iOS from Google Play Store. That is for the Android, and Google App Store. That is for the Apple. So I would paste this link in the description, and if you tap on this link would be in the description. So you can see this is the official by the Activision, and this is the game by the Activision, that is official game, and you can see Call of Duty Mobile. And if you even scroll down below, and if you can see the company is Activision Publishing included, that is the company that is making this Call of Duty. So you don't need to worry that if it is something else or whatever. So here what you need to do is just go and tap on get, and what it would do if you already logged in with your App Store account or Apple ID account, it would simply start the installation. Either it would ask you for the Touch ID or the Face ID. So just go and process that, and it would start downloading the game. And once the game is downloaded, it would automatically install it, and you could just go and open the game and play the game. So hope it has helped you in installing the Call of Duty mobile on iOS or iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. I would paste this installation link in the description. So hope it has helped.